For this example, what we're going to do is we're going to turn the mixed radicals into entire radicals. So far, all we've been doing is turning entire radicals to mixed ones, so it's good to know how to do it the other way around. Let's take a look at A. You have 2 root 6. All you need to really do is take the coefficient on the outside and square it and put it underneath the root sign. So for this case, 2 squared is 4. Put it underneath the root sign and then times that by that radical that's already there. So what you're left with is 4 times 6, that's root 24, and you're done. One thing to note about entire radicals and mixed radicals and switching back and forth is that they have to remain equivalent. For this one right here, it would be tempting to square that -5 in order to fix this one up, but unfortunately when you do that, you remove the negative sign, so that would end up being positive 25. Once you've got that, it's no longer equivalent. So you have to treat that negative separately. All you're going to do is you're going to square the coefficient itself, that 5. Leave that negative alone. Alright, so it's going to be negative, if you need to, think of it as like a -1. So it'll be a -1 times by root 25, because remember you have to put the root sign there, times by root 7. When you've got this all sorted out, it should be negative on the outside, the square root of 175. For C, we've got a fraction, but it's treated essentially the same. You've got 2 over 3 root 18. You're going to be squaring this one. That means that the top is going to be 4 and the bottom is going to be 9, all underneath the square root, times by root 18. Now the cool part about that is we can actually reduce this quite a bit. Right? If you need to, put 18 over 1 and you'll see it. It's just like fractions way back in the day. Alright, 9 and 18 can be reduced, so let's do that. These can be both reduced by 9, this becomes a 1, this becomes a 2, and then you multiply straight across. So what you're left with is the square root of 8.